Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back today, I really appreciate it. So today's video is going to be kind of like a club kid inspired look. Don't know what I'm doing. I've got like a very vague idea of where I want to go, but that's kind of the direction that I'm thinking. So today's video is going to actually be just one of the ones where I just add some music in and then I'm not going to be talking. Just to like spice it up, and I'm not really like in the mood to be talking. I don't know why. I kind of just want to like sit here and just focus and just do it. So I hope you guys don't mind. And also, of course, there's a new video on my Patreon. This week I did a whole video on how to contour. So how to contour your face in drag. So that's everything from like the cheeks to the eyes to the nose, everything, and all the products that I use. It's just very, very detailed. So if you're not signed up to my Patreon, it's linked down below. Go sign up. And that's it. I'm gonna get straight into it and then sit back and relax, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Bye. Okay guys, so I think this is the finished look. It's not very glamorous, but I kind of like it. I think it's cool. My whole thing at the moment is I'm trying to like, I'm really wanting to like create cool looks to create cool photos. So I'm trying to like create stuff that I know that I can edit really cool, stuff that's really interesting. So this was kind of the approach to this look. I was just trying to come up with something like weird so I can edit it cool. Anyway, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Again, if you're not signed up to my Patreon, sign up. It's down below. Full foundation routine, contouring, highlighting, all that kind of stuff. It's very detailed, so go sign up if you're not already. Go check that out. And that is it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.